I took action upon receiving the notifications from Ridvan and saw the message about the task. I returned to the SolidWorks screen, selected the file of the rocket, and chose the Reload from Server option to retrieve the most up-to-date data. I saw the cross, right-clicked on the file, and selected Replace by Revision to load the latest revision. Then I selected A2 Revision from the window that opened and confirmed. Realizing that the problem was solved, I returned to the dashboard screen, responded to Ridvan's comment to confirm the resolution, and then moved the task to Completed status.
After receiving a notification from Hanan, I returned to the Issue Management tab and filtered to select Completed Tasks. I opened the related task and saw Hanan's response. I went to the Project Planning tab, filled in the attachments and deliverables sections in the revision task I created for the workflow, and moved the task to Completed status.
After the final checks, I updated the assembly task to Completed status and ended the task.